So CPL is a consequence. You have to understand why the CPL is high. Is it because of CPM? Is it because of CTR? Is it because of CPLV or CPC or whatever it is? Okay, CPC is basically just the consequence of these two only. So CPM and CTR. Or is it because of CR? Okay. So what's the reason why you are getting? These three are majorly the reason. Once you have identified if CPM is the reason, then you need to work on your first frame rate. Okay. And yeah, first frame basically. Okay. If CTI is the problem, then you need to work upon your call to action. If CR is the problem, then you need to work upon your landing page or the call to action that you are currently suggesting. That's not in coherence with your landing page. So this is how you have to go about it. So first of all, you need to investigate or diagnose, what is the problem.
Yeah.
So, this is how you have to go. That's the only thing that I can say at this point of time. Right?
Okay.
Because I don't know since what is the reason that you are getting, a high CPL. So we can't prescribe you a medicine. It's similar to, going to a doctor and telling him that I have a strong pain in my heel. But if the doctor doesn't know, whether it is plantar fasciitis or it is because of nerve pain or anything else, he can't prescribe you a medicine. Right? So that's the thing. I would not be able to tell you that, what is the issue. You will have to see you have to compare it month by month, okay? Week by week.
Hey, I hope you liked the video, and if it made you wonder whether your Facebook ads could be performing better, that's exactly what we help businesses figure out. Now, most of the time the problem isn't obvious. It could be your strategy, your creatives, your tracking, or the way your account is being managed. So if you want clarity on what's actually hurting performance, click the link in the description and book an audit. So it's a paid audit because we take the time to properly review your account, identify the real bottlenecks, and do a proper diagnosis. So if you are running Facebook ads and want to know what is wrong with your account, then click the link below and book your audit. Also understand that this is a diagnosis call. We will not be able to prescribe you the medicine over here, okay? We'll just tell you what's wrong with your account. And if it makes sense, then we can explore the opportunity to work together. That's all. And it is paid because diagnosis does take time and it requires a lot of attention. So in order for you to be serious and us also to be serious, that's why it's a paid call. So if you are serious about scaling your Facebook ads, then click the link in the description and book the audit call right now.